Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a question that is related to the ratios. In the question, it is asking that a man spent rupees 500 in buying 12 tables and chairs. The cost of one table is rupees 50 and that of one chair is rupees 40. What is the ratio of the numbers of the chair and table purchased? Here in the question, we have just given the price, the cost of the table and chair. But unfortunately, we are not having the numbers of table and chair he purchased. So the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the numbers of tables and chair. Starting with the question, here we have that is he spent the amount 50 amount rupees for purchasing table. Here T is for table plus 40 rupees, that is the amount for chair. And how much total it becomes? It becomes 500. You can see it in the above question that the total amount he spent buying in table and chair, that is rupees 500. We take this as equation number 1. But to find out the actual numbers of tables and chair, we take that is T plus C total. Both table and chair, there were how much? There are 12 in number, but the amount of table and as well as of chair we don't know. So we have to find the first thing, the numbers of table plus the number of chair. Here we have to do just this is equation number 2. We have just supposed. Then T is equal to 12 minus C. This is the thing which we have to put it in equation number 1. Putting in equation number 1, we have to put the value of T into the equation. Here that is 50. This is equation number 1, 50, and the value of T, that is 12 minus C. Here we put the value of T, 12 minus C, plus 40C is equal to how much? 500. Now just to solve out, that is 50 multiplied by 12, we get here the answer, that is 600 minus 50C. C is for chair, plus 40C, that is equal to 500. I hope you have just understood the method till here. Now further solving, we get here answer, that is 600 minus 50 plus 40, that becomes minus 10C is equal to 500. Now to find out the number of chair, that is 600, this 500 goes this side of the is equal to and becomes minus 500 is equal to, and this portion this side, and it becomes plus 10C. So how much it becomes? It becomes 100 is equal to 10C. Then the value of C we get, that is 100, and this goes downward upon 10. So 0, 0 here we cancel it out and it becomes C is equal to 10. And this is the what? This is the number of chair he purchased. Now to find out the number of table, it's very simple. From equation 2, This is equation 2. Just put the value of c in equation number 2. Here that is t plus c is equal to 12. Now t plus c, how much here? That is 10. 10 is equal to 12. And we get here that is 10 is equal to 12 minus 10. And now the number of table, that is 2. So this is the number of table. If you take a look in the above question, at the end it is saying what is the ratio of the number of the chairs and the table purchased. So to find out the ratio, therefore the ratio of chair and table how much that is? This is number of chair we have, that is 10, ratio, and the number of table, that is 2. And if we further solve it out, if we divide both by 2, we get here the answer 10 divided by 2, that is 5, and 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So this is our answer. Hope you have got the method. So thank you very much.